Hello everyone, welcome back to Apple Bar. Today we are talking about one of the most surprising yet excited devices in the iOS 19 lineup, the iPhone SE 2020, which means the iPhone SE 2. While some newer iPhones like iPhone XR, XS, and XS Max didn't make the cut, this compact powerhouse from 2020 is still going strong. But why is that? Let's break it down. So, how did the iPhone XE 2020 earn its spot on iOS 19 compatibility list? Well, it all comes down to what's under the hood. Let's start with the chipset. Apple A13 Bionic chip. This tiny device have this powerful chipset. It's the same processor that powers the iPhone 11 series. That means iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max, which is of course getting iOS 19 update. They have decided to give iOS 19 to this, which means it's more capable of handling the demands of iOS 19, from multitasking to advanced AI features. The A13 is still a beast in 2025. Not to mention, Apple's incredible software optimization plays a big role here. They have designed iOS 19 to run efficiently on Apple A13 as well, ensuring the iPhone SE 2020 keeps up with the features like enhanced multitasking, new camera tools, and always on screen, maybe if on sported devices. iPhone SE 2020 isn't just about performance, it's about value. As at its launch, it gave users flagship level power in a small, affordable package, and even today has 19 support. It continues to prove that you didn't need to spend $1,000 on a great experience iPhone. But here's the thing: while the iPhone SE 2020 gets the enjoy iOS 19, other devices like iPhone XR, XS, XS Max didn't make the cut. So the SE's A13 outperforms the A12 found on those devices, and it's better equipped for the future. So what's the takeaway? The iPhone SE 2020 proves the great things comes in small packages with iOS 19 support. It's still a fantastic choice for anyone who loves the classic iPhone design but wants the modern performance with the this capacitive touch home button. What do you think? Let me know in the comments about the iPhone SE 2020 getting iOS 19. Drop your thoughts and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So this was the video. How's this? Do let me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.